You ever find yourself under a machine, tight on time with barely enough space, let alone thread a fitting? That's where the Parker LF3000 pushing fittings like this 311-40810 come in. You literally just push the tube in and it clicks. That's it. No tools, no prep, just done. Let's say you are setting up a cabinet panel or working on a solenoid valve system. You've got a limited space and a dozen connections to make. These fittings are compact, super light, and save you time with every install. They are built tough too, leak tested at the factory, durable under pressure, and coded so you always know what you are working with. Vacuum or 20 bar, no problem. Offshore floor, it will run up to 80 degrees Celsius. It works with automation lines, food processing, even robotic setups. Fast, clean, and efficient. It makes your job easier. Need a pack on site? Visit www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or call +234 909 482 1645 or email us sales@offshoredimensions.com.